Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we explore the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of garden tools with the NPGLOBAL 4.2 gallon battery-powered backpack sprayer. If you're in the market for the best electric backpack sprayer, stick around because we've got everything you need to know.
First off, let's talk about what makes this sprayer stand out. It boasts a 4.2 gallon capacity, perfect for handling larger projects without constant refills.
The high-pressure spray hose delivers from 21.8 to 100 psi, ensuring you can tackle tough stains and reach high areas effortlessly. With a flow rate of 4.0 liters per minute, it's both powerful and efficient.
Moving on to design, the NPGLOBAL sprayer is built with convenience in mind.
The translucent tank lets you easily monitor fluid levels, so no more guessing games. It's equipped with a stainless steel telescopic lance and a comfortable trigger handle with a safety lock, ensuring ease of use and safety during operation. Now, let's talk comfort. This backpack sprayer features durable padded shoulder straps that make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Whether you're spraying pesticides or fertilizers, you can do so without discomfort or strain. Versatility is key with 8 different nozzles included. Whether you're spraying a fine mist for delicate plants or a powerful jet for cleaning tasks, you'll find the right nozzle for every job. Plus, it comes with additional accessories like a wide mouth lid and a strainer for added convenience. Battery life is crucial, and this sprayer delivers. It's equipped with a long-lasting battery that ensures you can cover large areas on a single charge. Users rave about its efficiency and reliability, making it a favorite among garden enthusiasts. To wrap it up, the NPGLOBAL 4.2 gallon battery-powered backpack sprayer is undoubtedly one of the best electric backpack sprayers available today. It combines power, efficiency, and comfort in a single package, backed by rave reviews and a lifetime warranty. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a weekend gardener, this sprayer is designed to meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used this sprayer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.